Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. 91 Bravo Wheeled Vehicle Mechanic, aka the wrench-turning backbone of every convoy that doesn't want to die on the side of the road. You're not just tightening bolts, you're diagnosing electrical systems, swapping transmissions, and making sure those 5-ton beasts survive another trip across the wild, flat nothingness of training day. Your mission? Keep the Guard's rolling fleet from becoming permanent lawn ornaments. That means recovery ops, on-the-spot repairs, and knowing how to wrestle rusted parts into submission. 14 weeks of training will teach you the difference between it still runs and we're gonna die in this thing. And you'll get hands-on with everything from Humvees to tactical semis, plus their trailers, brakes, wiring harnesses, and those one-of-a-kind Army workarounds. So if you've ever thought, I can fix that, the Guard's got a motor pool with your name on it. You'll work under pressure, in the field, in the rain, with half the tools and twice the problems. But when that truck roars back to life and rolls out clean, that's you. That's your win. You're the reason the mission moves, the convoy rolls, and the supply drop actually makes it. And on the civilian job side, shops, dealerships, heavy diesel, fleet maintenance, they're all looking for mechanics who've already fixed worse with less. You don't just repair trucks, you resurrect them. Got questions? Ask your recruiter. Don't be weird about it, you're fine. That's one MOS explainer vid down. Many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps, you're welcome.